Welcome back, Thrani. I'm Joe B. Today I'll be showing you how to palpate the anterior superior iliac spine, or the ASIS. Let's dive in. The anterior superior iliac spine, or the ASIS of the ilium, is an important landmark when performing lumbopelvic and hip structure palpation. The rectus femoris muscle attached to this bony landmark. Before palpating, wash or sanitize your hands, then introduce yourself to the patient and what you are about to do to gather consent. Make sure that you use your finger pads, adhere to a broad contact, and avoid too much palpation pressure to maximize patient comfort. Patient position will be in supine, head, trunk, pelvis in neutral, arms at sides, and legs uncrossed. Patient can also be positioned in sitting or standing as alternate positions. The therapist can either be on the right or left side. Place the web space of both hands at the lowermost lateral rib, which is rib number 10. From there, move the web space down until you encounter a bony prominence, and that would be the iliac crest. Then move your thumbs forward, lower, and inward until a bony prominence are felt on either side of the pelvis. Those are your ASIS. So do you want to know how to palpate the posterior superior iliac spine, or the PSIS? If so, then watch this next video. Thank you so much.